Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the PON light blinking issue on your Converge modem. First, start with a power cycle. Unplug the power cable from your modem. Make sure the modem is completely off. Wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. This gives the system time to reset and clear any temporary issues. After waiting, plug the power cable back in and turn the modem on. Next, check the fiber cable. Look for the yellow fiber patch cord connected to your modem. Make sure it is firmly plugged into the modem and also securely connected to the wall socket. A loose connection can easily cause the blinking PON light. Now inspect the cable for any damage. Carefully follow the cable from the modem to the wall. Look for sharp bends, kinks, or cuts. Fiber cables are very sensitive, and even a small bend can disrupt the signal. If you notice any damage, the cable may need to be replaced. If the issue is still not fixed, you can try a hard reset. Find the reset button on the back of the modem. Press and hold it for about 10 seconds. This will restore the modem to its default settings. Keep in mind that you may need to contact Converge to re-register your modem after this step. If none of these steps work, the problem is likely outside your home, possibly in your provider's network. Thanks for watching.